Here's another brand new style from Tony of Beverly. This is Brynn. The color is Sunset Red. Now we've seen this color before, but we haven't seen this style before. I'm really excited to show it to you. This was provided by Wig Studio One. All right, let's talk about this adorable new style from Tony of Beverly, Brynn. These are their heat-friendly premium fibers. There's their ambient heat-friendly fibers. They have a little card that comes with their wig, and it gives you information exactly on here, which I think is great, of how to deal with these fibers. They recommend that you keep your styling tools at 350 degrees. So I think good job, Tony and Beverly, that they are telling you exactly what you need to know about how to care for their heat-friendly fibers. And if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to support@wigstudio1.com, and they will be happy to help you. And also there'll be a link in the drop down box where you can order this wig. Look at this adorable new style. Really tight to the neck. I like that. I like wigs that are tight on the nape. You can move your head any way. It is not going anywhere. So this is a asymmetrical cut. Now, it took me a long time to get on board with that. At first, when these cuts came out a few years ago, I thought, oh, that's not for me. And as soon as I put one on, I thought, oh, okay, I think I like that. So now I really like it. I think it's so cute, so wearable, age appropriate. There's a lot of layers in here. It's beautiful the way it sweeps across the face. This fit me perfectly. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference. I did not do any adjustment. However, there's a lot of stretch in this wig, so I think it will stretch up a little bit. I want to look at the inside of the cap. We're going to talk about the color. So let me just quickly show you the inside of this cap. It's really beautiful. It is an extended lace front and a mono top. So look at this large mono top and that extended lace front, open wefted, closed ear tabs with stays, and extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters. But it has a really nice mono feature there. Let me zoom in and show you this. All right, so I want to show you the lace front here. I thought they did an excellent job on this lace front. It's extended lace front, goes all the way down. Beautiful coverage. There's my bow hair there and there, but I just wanted you to have a look. You cannot see that lace. That is an excellent job on that lace. Now, another thing I thought was so cool on this wig, it was a little surprise to me. You know, if you want to wear this behind your ear, this longer piece, notice how they cut some shorter pieces right around the face, right in front of the ear. So you can wear that down. You can wear it behind your ear easily. It's low density there, but you still have some hair. If you have any hair showing, you need a little coverage there. They left that there. Good job, Tony and Beverly. I thought that was excellent. Gives you just more options on how to wear it. You can wear one side back, behind your ear, and one side down, but then if you decide to, you have that. I just think that was great. I really thought that was a nice feature. Large mono top, so like I said, you can part that anywhere. I feel, oh gosh, the smallest amount of permatease around the perimeter there, but I can honestly tell you it's just almost nothing. So just so you know that, you can tell there's no permatease here. There's not a lot of that. This is a sleek style, but I think you can separate it with some styling products and get a really nice look. I have some sea salt spray, and I'm just going to spray a little on here just to show you that you could separate these fibers just by spraying a little of that. Get a little messy look, which I like, and you don't want to overdo it, but you can just spray a little of that, separate those fibers. Just really adorable. I love it. All right, the specs on this, the front of this is 5 to 6 inches. You know, it has this long sweeping bang. The sides are 3 to 7. The 7 coming down on the front here. The nape is 1.5, so it has that 1.5 inch nape. It weighs 2.33 ounces. It's super lightweight. This is available in, I believe, around 36 colors. You know, Tony of Beverly really does have a wide variety of shades. That's one thing I've always liked about their brand, is I feel like there really is something for everyone. So Sunset Red is described as a blended shade of fiery red, and that is absolutely true. It's very fiery red, dark strawberry red, and they say it's lighter in the front and a little darker in the back. I just think this color is so beautiful. Sunset Red. I'm going to show it to you in some different lighting as well. So we talked about how you could wear this behind your ear, which is really cool. Still think that's really a neat thing. And with that extra hair that they added right at the ear. Can pull it all the way off because you do have that beautiful lace front, really well done. I always thought their fibers are really nice too, Tony of Beverly. The fibers are really feathery and soft on this wig. Now, as we said, these are heat-friendly fibers, so if you wanted to add a soft wave, you could easily do that with this and put that wave in there, or really sleek it down. So you have some options with this short style. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching today. Again, reach out to us if you have any questions, and join us in our private Facebook group, Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. You know, we have Sell It Sunday there now, where you can sell and buy gently used wigs. We have live events, lots of fun things happening over there. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.